Welcome to Code Slice Tutorials. Today we will learn the basics of making a language translator. In this tutorial, we will look specifically on how to translate from French to English using the Kivy module. My challenge for me to you is for you to try use what you learned today to make a multi-language translator or to translate into or from another language instead of the one that I will cover today. Please feel free to share your project on our Telegram channel as directed on the screen, and I will give you feedback and surely mention you in our next tutorial. For you to continue with this tutorial, you need the following requirements. Please make sure these requirements are met, otherwise you will struggle with this tutorial. Number one, have a stable internet connection, and make sure you have the following modules installed as well, which is one, Kivy, and also Translate. Yes, please make sure you have these modules installed. And if you don't have the Translate module, you can simply install it using pip install translate in your terminal. Yes, so firstly, let us go straight into it. So the first thing that we need to do is, in order for us to make this translator, is to firstly import Kivy and Screen Manager. And once we've done that, let's set up our main app class and also our translator screen class, where we will have all our methods UIX for our app. As you can see, what we get is a blank screen. So we have now our main app class, our translate screen class, and when we run all of this, we get this blank screen. So now we can go ahead and have our layout. So to make our layout, we will import our widgets. We have the text input, also the box layout, we'll also import our button, which we'll use to run our method, and then also we'll import our label as well. So the label, we will use it to display the translated text. All right, so now let's create our layout. So text input, button label. Okay, great. As we can see, it doesn't look flashy, but it's good enough. It's good enough. Yes, so now let us finally go into business, into the real deal. So now we will import the translate module, which will enable us to translate into other languages. So what is this translate module exactly? So the translate module is a simple but powerful translation tool written in Python with support for multiple translation providers. It can be used as a Python module or a command line tool. Now, why use translate? According to the link below, please do check this link out for more details. But the reason, according to the link, is that the biggest reason to use translate is to make translations in a simple way without the need of bigger effort, and can be used as a translation tool like command line. Yeah, so please do go to the website as you can see on the screen, so that you can read more about it. So let us set up to translate from French to English. Okay, so please keep in mind the following. So in this, when it says to lang, that means you will put here the language you want to translate. And when it says in from lang, you put there the language of the text being translated. So now let us now create a method called translate text, which we will call from the button that we have. Okay. So French text is the text we will take from our text input. We then translate the reason we are using, or the reason why we use try and except here is because we want to catch errors and output the error in the label. So if you don't use try or except, what happens is that you end up in a situation where your app just crashes and it stops working entirely. But at least we can catch the error and then we can display it without having the app to crash. Okay, now let us then run the code, and voila, we have our very own translator. So let's try a few words just to translate. Unfortunately for me, I only know one French word. So let's try bonjour. Okay, let's try. Yes, it works. Pretty cool, right? Yes, as you can see, we have our very own translator. Of course, I did only try one word because, hey, that's the only French word I know. So adios, everyone. I'll see you next time. Please do remember to subscribe and share your comments in terms of what tutorial you will be looking forward to. And that's it from my side. Have a great day.